Hello, my name is Keara Darcy, and this animated video will be on social media's effect on adolescents' mental health. Adolescents today are among the first generation to grow up completely with technology. Almost every child you see has their own phone. This is unlike most of our childhoods, where we would play outside all day, and we could be entertained by something as simple as a cardboard box. The fact that young people are now in constant contact with the world can lead to negative consequences. Adolescence is a time where big changes take place, and mental illnesses are often detected at this time. Concerns for young people using the internet and social media include being exposed to inappropriate content, cyberbullying, and comparing themselves to others, which lowers self-esteem. In turn, social media has been blamed for causing anxiety, depression, and other mental illnesses in children and teens. Screen time and social media use can affect mental health, but it's not causational, only correlational, because there's a plethora of other factors that go into it, such as genetics, or one's environment or surrounding events. Social media can play a role in mental health, but it's not certain that every single person is affected the same way. According to researchers, it is screen use rather than screen time that is the issue, until the screen time replaces sleep, homework, or healthy relationships with friends and family. And some argue that time spent online is not as important or impacting as what young people are actually looking at. One study found that Snapchat was actually correlated with feelings of happiness, while other social media platforms, such as Instagram, were more correlated with feelings of depression and anxiety. Online, people tend to present the most attractive and best version of themselves, even if it isn't real. And when browsing, we tend to automatically compare ourselves to these people, which can cause body image problems and us to feel bad about ourselves in general. About 54% of adolescent females worry about their body image, and 82% have higher expectations. These platforms, as well as online games, are designed to be addictive, which can potentially get in the way of daily life activities, such as school. Becoming addicted to the internet can cause people to have concentration and memory problems, and be less engaged in the classroom and potentially drop out. According to a longitudinal study, the relationship between excessive internet use, school dropouts, and depressive symptoms later in life was significant. There are clearly many problems that can occur from social media use, however, there are some possible solutions. Parents should moderate what their child looks at social media, as well as how much time they spend. Also, we should promote social media in a more positive way, and use it more actively instead of passively looking at other people's posts. Adolescents should also be educated about the dangers of social media and mental illnesses, because it affects us all. Thank you.